I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in on Telegram. For that, open up your Telegram app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of start messaging. Tap on it. Then by default it will select your country and your country code. Confirm it and then enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, tap on the arrow icon which is on your right hand side. Now you'll receive an activation code on your phone number that you have entered before. Enter the activation code. This is how you log in on Telegram. Now you can send messages, photos, videos and files of any type. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.